present perfect is a kind of tense that you don't find in your language. You don't find in Tigrinya, and you don't find it in many languages. So it's slightly different kind of tense. So it needs a lot of attention. To understand this, always go back and refer to the simple tenses. Now, present perfect. Basically, the form of present perfect is have or has. There is no perfect tense without have or has. What we call verb have is only containing 3 words. Have, has, had. Have and has are the present forms, had is the past form. So perfect tense is always in this form. We use have or has depending on the subject. The subject dictates. It's subject to you. Have do has ክንመርጽ ግደና I ተኮይኑ have ክንዊና he ተኮይኑ ግን has because has is verb 3. Okay, so have or has plus verb 3. The main verb that follows have is always in verb 3 form. Let's see some examples. I have. You have. We have. They have. I is first person when the speaker speaks about himself. You is the second person. If I'm speaking and you are listening, you are the second person. You are listening to me. So I, first person, you, second person. In plural form, we, I and my people around here together. Anan ምሳይ ዘሎ ብሓባር ክኾን ከሎ we, ንሕና, in plural form. Okay? They, other people who are not around us. Okay? But if it's you, ንሓደ you ንብል ንብዙሓት you ንብል. Second person, plural, singular ይብሉን. Third person, plural, if there are many, እሳቶም ከና they. All this take have. So when we use has, which subjects or which pronouns we can say in this case take has instead of have? Okay? He, she, and it. He, she, and it, they are not present, they are not first person, they are not second person. Not me, not you. ካባይን ካባሃን ወይ ካባሃትኩን ወፃኢ ካልእ ሳልሳይ ኣካል ግን ሓደ ክንጠቅስ ካልና third person ሳልሳይ ኣካል. So third person singular always takes has. ሕጂ ምስ I have ንጥቀም ምስ he has ንጥቀም የጽንዕ ይሰው ከሎ has ግን እንታይ ማለት has is verb s of have. I like coffee. I like coffee. أنا بقول فتو. he تيالنا ግን ነታ like s ንስኻላ he likes coffee. ጃ ልምት ያን ፈልጣ ነገር مش أتحيل مثلاً have كا s كوسا خلو ve ጠፊዩ s ውሳ ስለዚህ like likes, play plays, dance dances, have has is verb 3. So with he, she, and it we use has. After have and has then we have verb 3. If we have and has and if it's followed by a verb action verb, it always, without any exception, always it is in verb 3. Have done, have finished, have completed, have written. We never say have wrote. If you see any sentence have wrote, it's totally wrong. So after have and has, verb 3 in all times. So this is the structure. Let's see a complete sentence. I have finished my homework. Have plus verb 3. In this case, if it's ed, be ed ዝውድቕ ክኾን ከሎ verb 2 verb 3 ሓደ ዓይነት ስለዝኾነ ቁርብ ኣደናጋሪ ኣብ ካልእ ቃላት ተርእይናያ ግን ed ዘይብሉ verb 3 ክኾን ከም ዘሎ ኣዝዩ ንጹር. Okay? So I have finished my homework. Second, she has worked here for 10 years. Has worked. What makes it perfect is this one and this one. Has worked. Number 3. Now we have said I have finished my homework. She has worked here for 10 years. What about here? What do we say? We have prepared lunch. We have prepared lunch. They, the same, have, because they is third person but plural. They have eaten breakfast. So structurally always either have or has followed by verb 3. Especially here you can see it, eaten. We cannot say they have ate. Ate is verb 2. Verb 3 is eaten. Okay, so they have eaten breakfast. So this is the structure. Now having seen the structure, we'll go and see how we use it. What do we use it for? Or in what situations we use it. So we are going to see the meaning or the use. Let's go. Okay, now let's see the use. When you say the use, how we use it, in what situations we use it, or what do we express using present perfect. Present perfect طيبنا كابتي بpast simple نقلصو فليز بلا نقر انتينا نقلص لذي أطعمون طعمون كرينا ماشي. Use, to talk about experience. The first function of present perfect is when we want to talk about experience. When you talk about experience means when you talk about something that we have already done. Okay? For example, I have seen that movie. I have seen that movie. In simple past, we can say I saw that movie last Sunday. But I have seen that movie, it means I know it. I have gone through that experience. If someone asks us, oh, let's go, there's a new movie. Then we see the title, oh, I have seen this movie already. Yeah. That indicates it's in the past, but it doesn't indicate when. 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 5 years ago. It doesn't matter, but you know it. You have seen it. So it's simply expressing your experience. You have seen it means you know it. Now you don't need to see it. So it's very much related to present. The action being in the past, ولا قد ما عسرت عملت ريحة تكون تخيل. حجي قلنا رأي حولك حلق مرأي كم زيد ليك هم تفلته. So you have that experience. I have seen it already. That's what present perfect is for. Okay. تمال سنبت كم زي يخزر كل حاجة. Last Sunday I saw this movie. Specific date. But this is unspecified time in the past. We are only trying to show the person that we know the movie. We have already seen it. Okay. So I have seen that movie. Second, she has met the famous singer. She has met the famous singer. We are not talking about any specific day or specific time. But this girl we are talking about, she has met the famous singer. Maybe this girl, she was always telling us she wants to meet some famous person, Mr. A, let's say. Okay? So finally, after she met him, we say, oh, she has met that singer. Okay? What she was wishing to do, she has done it. She has met that singer. معاس رهيباته أبيني عمت أبيني أروح بزي قدس كن رهيباته تفلته هنسا كم رهيباته وي تي experience from the land فلتنا ماشي لذي she has met the famous singer. In this sentence, if we have present perfect, what we know is what we are talking about is in the past. When we don't know. Okay. معاس ما هون بزي قدس رهيباتهم تفلت كم تفلتوا تروح نقلص على ماشي. That's what we said to talk about experience. هذا معاس ما هون زي قدس تفتن كه دفلت كه ويفتسم كه نجار كتجلس كلها مالتي. Let's see one more example. They have been to Burkina. They have been to Burkina Faso. Okay. هذا سمعتيو. أنا كزاور كه Burkina Faso اختي أدلي كه تلك. Oh, I have seen it. رأي. هجي كم زرع هايو ت experience كم زرع لك. معاس ما هون بزي قدس. So it's always time not specified. We know it's in the past, but we don't know when. We only know that he has already seen Burkina Faso. So now he doesn't need to go and see it because he has already seen it. So an action happened in the past, but in some way related to what we are saying at present. Okay, that's talking about experience mean. What's the other function? To talk about actions that started sometime in the past. Going up to present. It doesn't mean it's still going on now, but up to recent, present, or up to now. Okay? An action that starts sometime in the past and has been going on up to now. This is the situation we have to express in present perfect. Let's see an example. They have lived here for 5 years. They have lived here for 5 years. أجيب present perfect كابقل أوان جميل سجع حجمات ما فينا. They have lived here for 5 years. حمش عمل ما فينا. كان معس قاع معسكن أي تتأصل. كن كي تتأصل ردي. ناتو present perfect سجع حجمات تخينه 5 years كاب حجي ندحريت حمش عمل موصاري. We are in 2025. This clearly means from 2020 up to 2025 because up to now ما فينا. The tense itself means up to now related to present. If it's related to present, if it means up to now, the starting point is very easy to calculate. From 20 up to 2025, up to now. So something that started in the past and that has been going on up to now or up to recent. Okay, this is what we call present perfect. So we use present perfect to express, to describe, or to talk about an action starting sometime in the past, up not only years, it can be weeks, it can be months, okay? It can be even hours. He has read the book since morning. ካብ ንጎት ሒዙ ከንብብ እዩ ካብ ገለ እዋን ኣትሒዙ ስጋዕ ሕጂ ንዝብል እዩ ዝገልፀልና ማለት እዩ Let's see one more example. We have worked at the bank since 2020. እዚ ሕጂ ተማስያ ምስታ ዘላለይቲ ኣብዚ ክንደይ ዓመት ምዃኑ ገሊፅና ኣብዚ ከዓ ካብ መዓስ ከም ጀመረ ካብ 2020 ተጀሚሩ ሞ 2025 ተለና 5 ዓመት ማለት እዩ So these two sentences are the same, almost the same. ተተርጉምናን They have lived here for 5 years. ኣብዚ 5 ዓመት ገይሮም ኣለዉ ስጋዕ ሕጂ ዝሓንቲ ከዓ ካብ 2020 ጀሚሮም ኣብዚ ኣለዉ So the meaning finally is the same. And both of them indicate that an action started sometime in the past. ኣብ ገለ እዋን ጀሚሩ ስጋዕ ሕጂ ክቕፅል ወይ ክኸይፀንሕ action ኣብ ምግላፅ ጥቀመሉ ስለዚ ክልተ ጥቕሚ ቀዳማይ ዝኾነ ብሕሉፍ ተፈፀመ መዓስ ምዃኑ ብዘይገድስ ግን ከም ተፈፀመ ጥራሕ ክንገልፅ ከለና experience ከም ዘለና ዓይነት ነገር ካልኣይ ከዓ ካብ ገለ እዋን ጀሚሩ ስጋዕ ሕጂ ቅፅል ፀንሐ ክልቲአን ግን ተቐዳመይቲ ፋንክሽን ዝበልናየን ዝኻልአይትን zeron zeron ምስ present የተኣሰራ That's why we call it present perfect. Present perfect. The action is perfected, completed, finished, but there is something that relates to the present. Okay? Let's go to watch the movie. Tell you, I have seen it. ولا قد ما عملت رياح هون خلي. كل ما عملت رياح حجة رياح خمزين. مش حجة تأثير لهم. لا حجة نعنا فيلم هريك قبله. تعيد فيلم. يريو إزيا لا. Oh, this I have seen it. رياح. عمي كل ما عمي ما هم شعت. It doesn't matter. يواصل زمان حجة مرأي كم زين. ليش لازم كل شيء present perfect. Miss present is very much related. Okay. So this is present perfect. See you in the next lesson.